In this video, let me show you how to enable and how to use dictation on your MacBook Neo. This way, the computer does the job for you. You don't have to touch the keyboard. Everything is done quickly on the screen. So step number one is to go into the settings. Click on the Apple logo, select System Settings. Over here on the left side, you're going to go down until you get to Keyboard. Tap on Keyboard and then go down. You should see Dictation. So first of all, we need to turn on dictation. So we're gonna turn on this first toggle and select Enable. Then we have languages. Depending in which languages you expect to talk, well, you can change this. So right now I have English from Canada, but obviously there is many more languages you can choose in case you want to dictate in other languages. Then you have microphone. I suggest you just leave it to MacBook Neo microphone, but if you have an external mic, a USB mic you prefer using instead of the built-in mic, well, you can choose it here. And then we have shortcut. By default, and again, I don't think many people will change, the shortcut button is this one, the mic button, which is the F5. I think it's pretty useful, so I'll leave it like this. Then you have auto punctuation. If you like the Mac to actually punctuate your text you dictate, just leave it enabled the way it is. So from here we are all set up. Let me open one of these notes page. You can dictate in anything, could be a web page, anything, again, text message, doesn't matter. As long as you have a cursor, as long as you can type with the keyboard, you can also dictate. So I'll press once on the F5 button, the mic button, and the dictation has started. You're going to hear a small beep telling you that it's starting to listening to you. And right now, as you see, it's basically doing its job. Once you're done and you want to stop this, you simply have to type again on the mic and it has stopped. You can also punctuate your text using your voice, ... hello, exclamation point, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. I mean, you get the idea. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and check my Amazon links in the description if you want to get some accessories for your MacBook Neo, adapters, cases, many other things. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.